Hey guys, welcome to the Bay County Public Library's YouTube channel. In this summer reading program craft, we're going to be making a mini pirate ship. You can pick up this craft at the Bay County Public Library, and I'll be showing you how to make it today in 3 easy steps. So let's get started. In each kit, you'll receive a stick called a dowel, a strip of foam, 3 corks, and 2 rubber bands. You may also need scissors for this craft, and some water and a passenger. First, you'll put together your flag. Use your scissors to make 2 small cuts about 1 inch from the ends of your leaf-shaped foam. If you want to glue any decorations onto your flag, now's the time to do so. Then stick the dowel up and through the 2 holes of the flag. Now we'll assemble the raft. Grab the 3 cork pieces and your 2 rubber bands. Line up all 3 pieces of cork with the hole facing up in the middle piece. Then wrap the rubber band around all 3 cork pieces twice. Do the same for the opposite side. It should look like this when you're done. Lastly, take the flag and stick your dowel into the center hole. You are ready to set sail. And that's how it's done. Don't forget these kits will be available at the Bay County Public Library in use services while supplies last. I'll see you next week with our next summer reading craft. Until then, this has been Kyle at the Bay County Public Library, and I'll see you next time. Bye!